officially allowed flow where the phone number is optional. So friends, go to your phone settings. Scroll down and go to Accounts and Backup. In Accounts and Backup, go to Manage Accounts. Then, my dear friends, scroll down and tap on Add Account. Now, friends, here select Google only. Now friends, after checking the info, it will show you the same page that appears every time you create a new Gmail account. But friends, don't make the mistake of skipping this part of the video, because after doing some steps, the problem you always face will be solved. So now, simply tap on Create Account. Now Google gives you two options. We always select the first option, but in today's video, I'm going to tell you the important tips about the second option, which will help you create multiple Gmail accounts without a phone number. We will talk about this setting in step 4, but for now, select the first option. Now friends, from here just continue following the remaining steps. In 70% of cases, Google gives you the option to skip the phone number. But if you are still facing the phone number verification issue, then let me know in the comments, because it can be a bigger problem, and I will give you the solution in the comments. The second most important method is the for business use option, which I mentioned earlier. Sometimes the for personal use option triggers phone verification, but with the for business use option, you often get the skip button. For the solution, first open the Chrome app and go to google.com. Then, go to your profile or the sign-in option if you haven't created any Gmail account yet. Next, now guys, tap on the Add Another Account option. Now, select the Create Account option. Now here friends, instead of selecting the For My Personal Use option, choose a For Work or My Business. Then friends, fill in the data and the phone number field becomes optional. If you are still facing the phone number verification problem, don't worry, because we have more solutions available and one of them will definitely work. You just need to carefully follow each step one by one. Friends, the next method is the Family Link app. Family Link is normally for kids, but if you enter age 18+, it does not ask for phone verification. So friends, for this, open the Google Play Store on your Android phone. Then, search for Google Family Link for Parents. Now, install the app from there. After it's installed, friends, open the app. In the app, tap Add Child or Family Member or this arrow. Then tap Add Another Account. Now friends, after checking the info, as usual enter the first name and then tap Next. Now friends, here is an important thing you need to keep in mind. Select the birth date, but make sure the age is 18+, otherwise phone verification will be required. If the phone verification page appears, don't worry, we have other solutions. So friends, Google demands phone verification less in some regions, especially in the USA. I'm not telling you to use a VPN. You just need to set your phone's time zone and region to United States. So guys, go to Settings to set the time. Then search for Language. Go to the Language option. Tap on Language again. Now, instead of English, United Kingdom, select English, United States. Then create an account normally, changing the time zone/region.